Guys, Albert, Traders Café. Let me show you the trade for this morning. NASDAQ ES come down all the way to the bottom of the ETH level, the low. Let me show you, this is a NASDAQ, this is a trade that I did, but let me show you on ES where I get my levels from. Here's your ES trade, bottom of the night. Why were we eyeballing this section here? Well, guys, if you are like me, you are placing a fib for all of your RTH and ETH sessions, your days and nights, from the bottom low to the top, to the highs. And you draw a 50% line to every single day and night. Yesterday, fib from the bottom of yesterday to the top gives you the 50% for the day, ETH. Well, the line runs all the way across for last night. This morning, perfect hit, 50%. The market goes to the top. Now, why this area? Well, if you know, ES loves to come back and hit the halfway point on a run. It does it all the time. If you look at another chart, it shows you exactly the entry. Now, a little FEG there, but you could have waited for this bigger one to form and a test of that. Really, that's the more conservative. I've seen this play out so many times, and since I knew that it was 50% in this area right here, let me mark it so you can see that's your 50% right there. I knew the market was going to run from there. Had a good possibility to run from there. So there's my entry. Now, remember, I show you on ES, but I enter on the NASDAQ. That's what I trade. So here it is. Same setup. So I have it on ES. ES, I follow the levels on ES because it's just more solid. NASDAQ is a little creepy, it's a little crazy, tends to overextend and things like that. But this is like a primo setup for today, guys. One trade, done for the day. You're finished. You don't have to trade every single minute of the day, guys. One trade. That should give you enough for the whole week. Some people's paycheck for the week. For the month, guys. Here's some of the levels I'm going to show you today. 0DTE for today. Look last night. 0DTE, the call resistance 6,600. Look where the market ticked up to exactly at the close last night. 6,600 for today. 1 day minimum 6,550. Remember, ES loves those halfway points, man. That's a good setup. I hope it gets down there. So I'll be doing another buy there. Your put support here at 6,500. 0DTE put support at 6,500, and your put support 6,400. That's kind of a stretch. Okay, so guys, you got to have levels on your charts. What I'm expecting today on the push yesterday, guys, it's a big 15-minute here from 65.58, which is your support, to the 70s area, 69.70. If you look on the 15-minute chart here on the left, you can see a big gap push up there at the start of yesterday. It came already halfway at night. We got a trade, a beautiful trade there. But I am expecting the market to come down to this area, hopefully today. Come down to this area, clear it up, and go. You're at all-time highs. Market can have a retracement, guys, so be careful. September is quote-unquote the worst day of the year. You don't see it so far, but they can rug pull this market, man, and catch everybody up here. So just be careful today. Traders Cafe.